Yeah, okay, yeah. So should I start it now? It's going to be an exciting story.
Mobilise is an exceptionally complex study. Not only do we have 4 patient cohorts, each with their own specific healthcare needs, but we have multiple project objectives, 17 international sites, 12 different languages, 34 research partners, and a global pandemic in the mix.
Globally, people are experiencing what it's like to have mobility restricted. I should have actually said, I normally wouldn't be giving this video from my kitchen.
In times of COVID, we will ask people to come to a lab, but if this is not possible, we'll do it in a home visit. So for COVID, we will take all preventive measures needed.
There is simply no point in us developing new and novel ways of measuring real-world walking unless we have the lived experience of people with long-term conditions as research partners beside us.
We have enrolled the first patients and everyone is excited to see the first results.
We have a wide range of tests that really look to capture the status of somebody's health.
At the end of these examinations, I was given a device to put on my belt that would measure my mobility. It was an easy task.
I'm proud to be part of a significant research project that aims to benefit the future of people with movement disorders. Being part of the Patient Advisory Board was a very meaningful experience for me.
I'm happy to help you out, that's for sure. Keeps my mind from turning to mush.
It's interesting, enjoyable in a fascinating way.
How much did they pay you to say this?
It's a considerable amount, all in used notes.
We need to equip the next generation with the tools and the ideas.
I think that connecting so much people from different backgrounds, different perspectives, this is the best value of our summer schools.
We really have made a transformational change in how people perceive the importance of mobility and how they can see how they can measure it going forward.
I've worked with other IMI projects in the past, and I think that the Mobilise-D consortium is not only really effective, but a lot of fun.
You won't smile at all in that.
European Federation of Pharmaceutical Industry Associations, isn't that right?
Oh, I need to think.
Look at me. Yes. Don't look at the camera. Not at all. No, just at you. Just at me, yeah. I will go back.
You want me to start over or just continue?
I'm sure you're sick of hearing my voice now.
One more.
I'm waffling on a bit there. I'll start again.
So I can stop it now, right?